Very good morning, friends. I'm Nalnakshi Swami. Welcoming to my channel, Smart Index Edge. This is my new indicator, that is POC, Market Memory. Yesterday, I was not at home to trade. There was a function, that's why I was away. Here, my market indicator indicated the market was losing point of control. This was in this area. If I mark this is the value area low. Let me change the color to yellow so that you can make out it lost its balance. It lost its balance around 10:30, opening bell, sorry. Take it out. This is disturbing. It lost its balance around 11 a.m. You can see market after that, market has traded in a range till 1 p.m. in the market, and it completely lost. This was the next range, completely lost the balance and even the value area low. You can see that was a very good moment. If you could have taken any put option or return call option, you could have made very good money. From here, the market has come down to 26,340 to 26,214. 214, almost 120 to 130 points you would have captured in the market. So the market has stayed for nearly from 11 to 1 means 11, 12, 3 hours in a range, and it has broken down. And where did it react? It reacted to this is weekly POC. This green color is weekly POC, point of control. So exactly the market got accepted in this area, market has reacted back. Now today, what can happen is, it is actually this price action, it is the 2:30 low of 2 p.m. low of 4th, 3rd, and this is the 5th one. Second 2 p.m. low and holiday, Monday, it lost its balance. That means it has engulfed this price action and it has come down to this level, the weekly POC aligning over here. And it reacted. Today, what can happen is the market has lost balance, and if I zoom it, let me hide the daily POC and let us check where are the weekly POC. This is the weekly POC line. This is the weekly POC, weekly POC, weekly POC. So it can come up to 26,346. There, it has reacted over here, and the next level of point of control is here. Already market has reacted from there, and market can pop up to this level, 26,338, to again little bit lower it can come down. This is the area of reaction zone, 26,342 to 26,315. This is the immediate reaction area. This is the value area low. It can even, because when there is a reversal, when the market starts coming down, this is an engulfing pattern. Engulfing pattern. This is completely engulfing pattern. The retest, that is an outside bar, retest is the confirmation. If it doesn't go past this level, it is a confirmation that it is sell and rally. The market can seek, since it has moved leg down, it can the pop up to this level 26,334 to 340 and 26,313 and 26,329. These are the possible levels for the market. If it gets rejected from this level, then it can seek the lower level from where the point of control, this is the weekly point of control here. Let me remove this lock and move this to here. 26,151. Let me take the price note and label it. 26,152, you can anticipate for that. This is the beauty of the POC, point of control, that is the market memory from where it balanced out and the big money has taken control and big money started offloading distribution over here, outside bar and retest failure today can lead to down move to 26,152. And let me enable my other indicator, EP indicator. EP indicator has already shown the bearish EP and price has moved over here. It is and then it has started coming down. Volume has triggered on 5th. There was no volume, and let me enable the rolling pivot. In combination of all the three, you can see you could have taken very good trade, very good sell trade. You can see the price is coming. Let me remove this drawings. To show you the areas I had marked, you can see price closing below the POC and still trend was intact. This was the final move, final trigger in the market losing its balance as well as closing below the pivot. You can see already it has started closing below the pivots and it is a confirmed close below POC as well as the rolling pivot as well as the support one. So entire thing, it has started descending over here. You can clearly see the market came down and it has taken support around the POC levels and some sort of pullback was seen. Still the trend is bearish. Suppose if it pops up to gap up to this level and a failure to cross this level, it is a confirmation of the weakness and you can trade it better. So combination of three indicators. This is the market memory POC, which is the latest one. With all the three indicators, you can trade better. Rolling pivot, rolling pivot will tell you it is losing balance. Trend is also indicated. Along with that, this market memory POC, point of control market profile, will tell you it is going to go down and you can make out clearly where are the point of control with conviction. These are the point of control market has lost for the first time. Then retest to any move towards this area. If it is a failure, rejection, If the market rejects these levels, if it doesn't accept, then it is sell and rally. Sell and rally for today. Today is expiry date. Friends, trade with caution and watch out for all these levels, and you can anticipate for the down move towards 26,152. There, the market has done, accepted the price and has moved down. So there may be some sort of reaction. Market may stay within this range. Today's range of trading range may be 26,345 to 26,152. Trade with caution. And if you want to access my indicator, this is the new indicator. I've already mentioned in my previous video what is the POC, point of control, market profile, value area high and value area low. Then considering that, you can trade better. If you want to access my indicator, you can message me on this number 98452 09600. Thank you very much, friends. This is a customized indicator by me. So you can WhatsApp me for the details of pricing. Thank you very much.